Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country chic kitchen decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Country chic kitchen decoration often incorporates elements like distressed wood finishes, vintage inspired accents, mason jars, oven baskets, and floral patterns. Consider adding open shelving to display rustic dishware and incorporating natural materials like stone or particle block countertops. Soft pastel colors and a mix of textures can also enhance the cozy, inviting feel of a country chic kitchen. Install a large apron front farmhouse sink for a classic country touch. Consider vintage inspired appliances like a retro style refrigerator or a classic stove with modern features. Use a sliding barn door to cover your pantry for a charming rustic look. Hang pendant lights with industrial or vintage designs to add character and warmth to the space. Hang signs with farmhouse inspired quotes or phrases to add personality to the walls. Incorporate vintage kitchen accessories like old-fashioned scales, milk jugs, or wire baskets for a nostalgic touch. Install open shelves made from reclaimed wood for displaying dishes, cookbooks, and decorative items. Place fresh flowers or herbs in mason jars or enamel pitchers as a simple yet beautiful centerpiece. Thanks for watching the video.